National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a flash flood warning for Jefferson County until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:51 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: Doppler radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Birmingham, Hoover, Vestavia Hills, Bessemer, Homewood, Mountain Brook, Trusto, Hueytown, Gardendale, Irondale, Leeds, Fairfield, Fultondale, Center Point, Pleasant Grove, Kimpson, Tarrant, Midfield, Adamsville, and Brighton. This also includes Village Cricket Avenue West, which will rise into the 10 to 12 foot range.
Oh dear.
Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. The National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a tornado warning for central Tuscaloosa County until 3:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:53 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed tornado was located near McFarland Mall, or 7 miles southeast of Tuscaloosa, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: damaging tornado and ping-pong ball-size hail. Source: public confirmed tornado. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Tuscaloosa, Hold, Lakeview, Brookwood, Coling, Vance, Burnett, McFarland Mall, Lake Wildwood, University Mall, Deer Lick Creek Campgrounds, Mercedes-Benz of Alabama, Shelton State Community College, North Bibb, Cottondale, East Brookwood, Peterson, Lake Harris, Caffey Junction, and Fleetwood. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Tuscaloosa, Alabama. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 33.